morning, young littles. Welcome in the today's craft activity of Summer Splash 2020.
I hope you all are happy and safe.
So let us start. Today we are going to make funny frog. To make the funny frog, we need Fevicol, scissors, one black marker, one small piece of red colored sheet and one green A3 size sheet. Dear children, we are going to start now. Cut your A3 size green colored sheet into 12 strips of equal size. Children, our 12 strips are ready now. Just keep in mind that these strips should be of equal length and breadth. This you have to cut it in oval shape. We are going to use it for face. Draw the feet part and then cut it off. Similarly, draw the hands and cut it off. Yes, we need 2 big eyes and 2 small eyes. After that, we are using 2 small red circles for the cheek portion and of course 1 yellow crown. Draw the crown and then cut it off. Now we are going to make our funny frog now. Take one strip and fold it like this into 2 equal halves. You can take a bunch of strips and you can fold all the strips into 2 equal halves. Then take one strip, apply Fevicol, paste the another strip on it like this. Now paste the another strip diagonally like this. Now keep on pasting all the strips like this. Children, fold the first strip like this. Just keep in mind that you have to fold the very first strip. Then keep on folding the strips like this using Fevicol. After folding and pasting all the strips, it will look like this. So now we are moving further. Take 2 strips and paste it like this, and now just keep on folding one upon another in a zigzag way. Now after finishing your zigzag, paste it like this. Now we are going to make the face. Stick it on it like this. We are going to make the base for your frog. You can take any CD or you can use any cardboard. Any colored paper you can stick on the base part. Now stick the feet. Now we are going to stick a frog on the base. Now coming to the face part, stick the eyes, big one, small one. How can we forget the cheeks. Red circles for the cheeks. Now coming to the crown part. Take your crown and paste it like this on the back of your face. Complete the eyes part, nose part, and of course mouth. Now coming to the hands. Take the cutout of the hands and paste these cutouts like this. Wow, your funny frog is ready now. So it's time to say goodbye, dear children. We'll meet in the next craft session. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.